In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer invoices in Odoo. First, open Odoo and go to the Accounting app. This is where you manage financial documents, customer billing, payments, and reporting, so it's the right place to begin when working with invoices. Once you're inside the accounting section, look to the top left toolbar of the screen. From there, click Customers and then select Invoices. This will take you directly to the Customer Invoice area, where Odoo stores the invoices that have already been created in your system. If you're following along for the first time, this is a useful section to get familiar with because it gives you a clear overview of your billing activity. Now that you're on the Invoices page, you'll see the list of invoices displayed on the screen. Depending on your company data, this list may include draft invoices, posted invoices, paid invoices, or overdue ones. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're viewing the correct records, especially if you manage multiple invoice types or work in a database with a lot of financial activity. Next, go to the top left area of the page and click the gear icon. This menu gives you access to additional actions you can perform from the invoice list view. When the drop-down appears, select Export. This tells Odoo that you want to extract the invoice data from the system into a downloadable file. As soon as you click Export, the download will begin automatically. In most cases, the file will be saved directly to your computer's default Downloads folder, unless your browser is set up to ask where files should be saved. If you don't immediately see the file, check your browser's download bar or your Downloads folder to confirm that it was completed successfully. And that's it, you've now exported the list of customer invoices from Odoo. This is a quick and simple way to get invoice data out of the system for review, reporting, backup, or sharing with your team. If you're doing this regularly, it can also help you keep records organized outside of Odoo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.